I'm here with Joyce Sweeney. We just wrapped our new class, which is our interactive book factory, and I am so excited about what you presented in our little episodes here. So, because this is something completely different than our other 10-week classes, we want to talk about it a little bit. So, can you just tell us, how is this different than what we've done in our 10-week classes?
Right. Well, Cathy and I like to experiment. And we're always getting different ideas. So this was the idea, and it's kind of born of the fact that one thing that happens, two things that happen. People have a lot of trouble with their marketing materials. People have a lot of trouble with their query letter. They have a lot of trouble with their synopsis. And often, as an editor, I find myself going over the same person's query letter over and over and over as they try different things and tweak different things. So we were kind of thinking about a class that's really about that rewriting of those pieces. So for this class, instead of a long lesson on how to do things, but 30 minutes or more, it's just a few tips to get you on your way and an assignment of something to write. It'll be some piece of marketing or some small piece of your novel. And then you get in the forum and we're going to really work. So the real work is going to happen in the forum. You present your first draft of something, we look at it, your fellow students look at it, I'll make suggestions, and you'll be coming back. And so I will be in the forum a lot. I will be doing a lot of work with you. So I will come back and look every time you revise or write something new. It'll be a new comment, and so I'll see it. So the idea, I think, is these are the kind of things that you just can't teach how to do it and you go out cold. You need to keep going back and forth with feedback. And I think your fellow students' feedback is going to be really helpful too, because a lot of times, like if you're choosing a title, you have a focus group here. You know, everybody says, oh, I hate the title you like. I like this title that you don't like so much. You need to take note of that. So I think it's going to be really different. I'm not sure how it's going to feel, but I'm kind of excited about it. I think we're going to all learn a whole lot together about how to do these things.
Yeah, and I also think that it's not just marketing. So everything in the lessons or in the episodes as they are gearing you toward that. But, you know, we're going to spend some time on first paragraphs. Well, that's writing. But your first paragraph is fitting right into that whole marketing piece because you got to get the agent, you got to get the editor, you've got to get somebody to like it. So I think that this is for the writer who is really ready to move forward.
Yes, and so often I see people who have such a great book, and the book is ready, the book is finished, it's perfect. Nothing's perfect, but it's great. But these are the places where you're struggling. And so it is going to be, I think, the critical things in your book. Often it's those firsts, first sentence, first paragraph, and so forth. And it's also, at the end of the class, there's a little advice once you are submitting on types of business letters that you are going to be writing to these industry professionals who intimidate and scare us so much, so that you can be calm about it and make sure that you're doing it the right way.
Yeah. So we are excited, and I think you're going to be excited too.
I'll see you in the forum.
Bye.